Okay, hi everybody. Today we are going to look into the supply chain management process. Okay, it's the class from our main central hub. Okay, and I would be discussing about the main features of the supply chain management and would tell you actually that how this system works. You know, actually, this thing before that supply chain management was a revolutionary term. Before it was supposed to be logistics only, but now its era is a little bit beyond. Okay, it's like not only limited to logistics, so it's more than logistics, and it's called supply chain. Supply chain, you can say, is a supportive process, supportive department that support the whole process of your marketing and sales. Okay, and it's something which is happening on the ground. So this is a very, very important tool. Okay, which you have to understand. Okay, how it works and how it establishes different features in it. Okay, so you can see here if you look at the previous things. Okay, the business initiative trends in manufacturing, the 1970s era, you can say, was mainly focused on manufacturing only. Where what does it mean actually? Where the manufacturing was supposed to be the main core of anything, like whatever the manufacturing was there, then they used to make it for marketing or sales. Okay, but manufacturing was the main thing because the products, okay, making was a problem at that time. Now you know that because of the mass production and everything, the things have gone beyond nowadays. Okay, the 1980s, you can say, it was quality based, okay, era, okay, where the quality came in and it supported the manufacturing as well. Okay, so the manufacturing was supported by quality in 1980, where the quality feature was mainly there. The 1990, you can say, it was the era of supply chain management. Okay, when the supplies, okay, I would say here, okay, it's what the marketing concept came in there, because marketing concept is the overall umbrella which it covers all these features. Okay, so marketing feature, or you can supply chain, as per our subject, that came in there, and it figured out, okay, whether what kind of products are required, where and when and how. And this was the thing. So manufacturing, quality, along with when, where, how this thing would be available, was a supply chain management era. Now in 2000, it went up to e-business and supply chain. Now e-business means actually now, because we are living in the era of AI right now. Okay, so many things which have been added up, which I'll be covering in all of my these lectures. Okay, that how this thing would be working and how this the new era of e-business is now there. Okay, so this what I will be letting you know how this thing works. Okay, so this is just an intro about the subject. Okay, how this thing would work. Okay, and what are the transformations that took place over a period of you can say last 30 or 40 years in the supply chain management. Okay, subject. Okay, so this will be looking into. Thank you very much.